This piece is called I am 5'2 3/4, but there was actually a minus before the 5'2 3/4. This is to show that this piece is a little bit more negative in meaning. This is to represent the fact that sometimes people in our lives, or also maybe things that happen in our lives that are not people related, might make us feel minused, and this, I've put all that injection into the doll. The head here is again the Jesmonite, but it's been made out of a lesser weight of cloth, so that the cloth can fold in certain places, and it's not as strong, or it's able to dent. So in other words, that what something might look strong to the onlooker actually might be quite weak inside. So even if someone is evoking a nasty exterior, inside they might actually lack courage and strength. The body there, especially that you see there, is a voile. It's cheap. It's been made as to be shiny to the outside, something that maybe looks attractive, but inside it is just bubble wrap. So the bubble wrap will burst and change and actually contort the doll as the doll exists and as time passes. The legs there are made up with tissues inside, various weights of tissue paper. You can see each leg has been made differently. So one leg has been made out of a silk vial to show that, but does it look any different in quality to the grey vial? Not really, only the colour. So again, this is hidden meaning, showing that really sometimes things can be quality, or some things might actually be cheap, but you can't tell the difference. And that's maybe characters wise, we can't tell a difference in a person until we eventually find out after a long time. The inside there, the tissue paper, is to represent all the memories that can be stuffed inside ourselves, or maybe instead of putting hidden letters, or maybe discarded letters that we want to get rid of here, that's to represent all those things in the tissue paper, the sort of paper-based memorabilia we might hold from bad experiences. The arms here have been left without padding, as you can tell. Now this is to show that really there can be a lack, even though a person may appear strong. The fabric itself has been made out of screen printing mesh, which has a very similar look to voile, but is a lot stronger in feel and in structure. One arm here has been made there, you can see it, it's been made as a used screen printed one, so it actually has the aspect of paint and stains. Now this is to really evoke the sense that people can be stained and it can be obvious. I've tried to use a chalk paint there to whiten out the areas, but you can see it's already coming off, so that shows that even though someone might pretend to be something, eventually what they are comes out.